everyone. We're going to find the value of the derivative of f composed with g at the value of x equals 1/4. We have f of u equals u plus 1 divided by cosine squared of u, and u equals g of x, which equals pi times x. Let's look and see what we have. We have f of u, and we also have u equals g of x. So I can write this as f of g of x with substitution. Now this is the same as f of g of x. Now substituting, I need to find my derivative, so I'm going to do derivative with respect to x of f g of x. Now this is like your chain rule, where you use your inside-outside rule. So we take the derivative of the outside function, g of x, times the derivative of your inner function, which is f prime of x. This is going to give you f of g prime of x. And then all we have to do is substitute in x is 1/4 into this x part, or these x's. So they're the same. All right, so what we're going to need is our f prime and our g prime. We already have our g of x. That's just going to be pi divided by 4. So we're going to start with differentiating our u. F prime of u equals the derivative with respect to u. And I'm going to write this as u plus, let me erase this. I'm going to bring this up here. So I'm going to write this as cosine of u to the power of -2. All right, and when we differentiate, you're going to get this is going to be 1, and then use your chain rule, -2 cosine of u to the power of -3, and then we're going to differentiate with respect to u, the inner function, which is cosine of u. This just equals negative sine of u. So multiplying it through, you're going to get 1 plus 2 sine of u. I just multiplied these two negatives. I'm going to put this in the denominator, which is cosine of u cubed. I'll put the cube there for now. Now for g of x, we're going to do g prime of x. That's going to be where you differentiate with respect to x, or pi x. Well, that just equals pi. And that's just a constant. So now we can use our formula and put all this together. So your formula is going to be f of g prime, and now x is 1/4. So that's going to be f prime of g of 1/4 times g prime of 1/4. Now g of 1/4, when you substitute it in, you're going to get g of 1/4 equals pi divided by 4. So this is just pi divided by 4. Now we have f prime of pi divided by 4 now, times g prime of 1/4. Let me write down again what our f prime of u was. That was 1 plus 2 sine of u divided by cosine cube u. All right. So substituting in, this is going to give us 1 plus 2 sine of pi divided by 4 divided by cosine cubed of pi divided by 4. Whoops. And then you have to multiply this by g prime of 1/4. Well, g prime of x was just pi. So there's no way to put the 1/4 in. It's a constant rule for and that's just going to be pi. All right, this is going to equal 1 plus 2 times 1 divided by square root of 2 divided by 1 divided by square root of 2 cubed. You just put that cube on the outside, times pi. So looking at this, let's take care of this piece right in here. So we still have 1 plus. Now this is going to be 2 divided by square root of 2 divided by, when you cube this is going to be 1 divided by 2 square root of 2 times pi. Well, this piece here, I'm going to write this as 2 square root of divided by square root of 2 times 2 square root of 2 divided by 1, sorry. So these two cancel out. So this whole thing just equals 4. 2 times 2. So you're going to get 1 plus 4 times pi. And this is going to equal 5 pi. So that is your final value. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.